Are you familiar with that noise? When you work to grow a small account doesn't seem to produce results. If you try variety of techniques and haven't achieved real accounts, this video is just what you need. I review the tactics that turn the situation around and it could do the same for you. Let's go with that, guys. I've got exciting and surprise lined up just for you. Stay with me until the end of the video. You won't want to miss it. We're gonna use classic candles in 30 seconds on time frame, guys. And we're gonna use Bollinger Bands, CCI, and stochastic oscillator. Okay? Bollinger Bands, 30 and 2 pure and deviation. The style is up to you guys, the color you want to use. Okay, just like mine. CCI, 15 on period. The style, okay, we're gonna use pink as well. Stochastic oscillator, we're gonna use 422. The style, we're gonna use that, and we're not gonna use the 20 line. All right, and it's move, guys, with that. 3 more steps, and everything's ready for the trade session. Let's move on. The time for my first trade will be 3 minutes, guys. The amount is $12, and there's a buy trade. So press the green button and wait for the results. Okay, just start using this strategy. You need to remember a simple plan. We always start looking for a signal with the Bollinger Bands. We need to then find a moment and the candles break the upper or lower line, and then return to the channel. As we can see right here, guys, look at this. I see the candles just break the channel 2 minutes ago at the lower button line. And now everything's rolled back, okay? And you can see that 3 candles after I click on the buy button for that. And CCI and stochastic oscillators duplicated this rise up. I see the lines are moving down and now it's moving up. It means that signal is correct. 3 indicators give a buy signal. I think now you can see that's very, very easy. But in order for that strategy to really give it a profit, you need to know some secrets. And we'll tell you about down later. Let's proceed to that, and what results we get here. Let's wait for this. And look at that, guys. My profits in 3 minutes, $25. This is a good result, so let's continue with that. And it's important to remember, that is just one of the strategies that can change your journey in this market. To become a true pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is the key. But don't worry, I prepared to exclusive results that will be fundamental for growth. Stay until the end of the video. And another good signal, guys, let's work here. I'll check all indicators, everything's look good. So let's move on the sequence rules. Okay, guys, the first sequence is the entry point. And this strategy is best to wait for the candles to start returning to the channel, always. So always count the number of the candles, 2 or 3 candles, and carefully look at the chart of the currency pairs. It's best to wait for 2 or 3 candles, as I said, everything return to the channel, and only then up a trade, buy 1 or sell 1. Because in this strategy, actually you can take fake signals, and candles will go against you. To open a trade very early, it's really common mistakes. Always wait to 1 minute, 2 minutes to check out its movement. Count 2 or 3 candles and then open trade. If you don't see any problem, okay, you can do that. The second secret is the combination of the time and the time frame. Expiration time and time frame. Okay, my time frame is 30 seconds and my expiration time is 3 minutes. If you choose time frame of 5 minutes, for example, you need to open a position for 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, always remember to check the lines for CCI and for stochastic oscillator. That's important. And it is the best combination for that indicators, guys, for that one. And for this training setups, and just test this with this setup, okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And look at this again, guys. Another profitable. Okay. Guys, and remember, not all signals can be profitable for you, and sometimes the moment can be fake. Okay, remember, out of 10 signals, usually we're gonna take 2 or 3 times of a bad signal. So this is absolutely normal. Remember that and not scared about it. Okay? As I showed for you, $44 so far in another 3 minutes. So let's move on for the last one. Now guys, I need to return to the previous signal. For example, we got that good signal and let's try to do this again. And I want to give you. So very simple for the strategy, guys. It's the best to choose the top currency pair. Okay, during the day, not change that. Okay, if you choose one of our two currency pairs where you're so beautiful and clear signals and wait for new signals there, just hold on with that. It will give you more results than scrolling sets every 5 minutes. Choose 2 or 3 pairs for you. Look at the candles over the past few hours and see how many profitable and unprofitable signals there have been. Your currencies should not give you any surprises, right? So just let this in the favor list. So analyze the markets over the past few hours to understand how it is the movement. And it helps a lot. Okay, it helps a lot in this probably the most important rules for you. If you don't have money management strategy, that's important. I think you won't be able to achieve great results. Every strategy requires financial planning or risk management, guys, and in my Telegram I have this. I said this about during this live session. Okay, if the amounts of our trades change every time, you understand how to use capital to try to play with the markets. This will lead or lose before. Always remember that trade will give you the profits. Only remember all the rules, psychology, strategy, money management, strategies, and daily diary. Stop win, stop loss. This is what you need to grow your account. Understand that beginners are too lazy to do this. But after many years, I realized that it's impossible to grow your account up without that. I showed you how to open a signal. I showed you how to analyze the indicators, but the risk management is important. I've given you 3 tips that will increase your chance of winning. And now this tactics to use it wisely. So guys, don't repeat that mistake that I talked about in this video. Just open the market real account or demo account if you want it. Test this, get more confident about this, experience, practice that, and look for interesting currency pairs and understand how it works. After a list 10 or 20 such trades, operations under demo account or whatever, you will see that everything repeats itself and you can use it for daily profits. Alright, that's very, very important. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Always during my live session, I talk about the risk management. So it's necessary to take these guys to have great results. That's I'm taking right here. Okay, so don't forget it to practice. Try to use your demo account before to use the real money. That's very important, guys. And look at this again. Look at that, another profitable trade, guys. I made about $83 in a few minutes of trading. It's really good results as results, and now it's for me. So I pause it. I hope this was useful for you guys. So like your results in the comments. It's very, very interesting for me. Try that. So actually right now, I wish you good luck and see you soon on my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.